Welcome to Sheepdog Logic. I'm Sheepdog. As you can see, Sgt Major's got both stack mounts up and mounted. Left one last time you seen it up, it was temporary, but now it's mounted permanently, or as it should be. The cab's sitting flat and straight on a set of Cabmates rear supports. Both have shocks and airbags. The airbags are not hooked up currently. Will be shortly. What you're looking at there is the power steering reservoir. It's got a couple of holes in it. You can see 4 right there. I'm going to patch it with that stuff. Never used it before, but we'll try it out. Ready for the tank to go on. Got the parts. This is going to hold the strap onto the frame, and this is going to hold this strap to the mount. That's what I got from Tractor Supply. That's the best they had. There's the cab mount in position, driver's side. Cab mount, passenger side. And we have the new pump in place. Air is not connected at this time, but it's just temporary anyway. You just connect it to right here with your air line. You just hook up your air line like you would to blow up your tire, and you just push air to it, and that's how it works. I think, pretty sure this, you take this out and you can hook air up to it permanently. But yeah, the cab does jack up now. The locks are in place, but they're unlocking right now. Now the cab's gonna start coming up. There you go. We'll bring you back when we get more done.